class. Thanks for time given to our group. Today we will give presenter our material. Today we gonna talk about the language variation. I will change the first presenter.
Okay, language variation is the considerate and consequence of the social change that communicates. Is the relay that is around human beings are as a pair of variation is close like directology. So in variation is determined where a person come from their social linguistic status, and then play attention to the variation of English and individual is using. And this the phoneme happen is every language. However, due to those human beings might have altered their linguistic, use the base of the status of their prepared variety. As we discussed in the previous paragraph, if language variation described to the social relate without language, it means also represent an image of the different to the social primate, not only local people but their language variation as well. And then vernacular language. According to Homeless, term vernacular is used in a number of ways. It is generally refers to a language which has not been standardized and which does not have official status. And Homeless also states have vernacular are status usually the free language learned by people in multilingual communicates, and they are often used of the relatively narrow range in informal function, and there are components of the meanings vernacular. For example, Inuk, Enu, and Ikan. And then standard language. Standard language is the generally one which is written and has undergone some degree of regulation of confidence. For example, is grammar and dictionary. This is a variety or code by communicate. So use the for function alongside this diversity of language variation. Also state that standard language emerging naturally is the 15 country from the variety of regional English dialects. For example, Tabe Gula, Karain Guru, Emak Pastor.
Okay, and the next, lingua franca. Lingua franca is a language or mixture of language used as a medium of communication by people whose native language are different.
Mulai.
Next, lingua franca. A lingua franca is a language or mixture of language used a medium of communication by people whose native language are different. For example, Kes, Bon, and Gokpe. Next, Pidgin and Creole. Holmes states that a pidgin is a language which has no native speakers. Pidgins develop as a means of communication between people who do not have a common language. In the conclusion, pidgin is no one's native language. For example, of pidgin, besti, met, and bon. And then Croel is a pidgin that has undergone deep expansion in terms of structure and vocabulary to express meaning or function similar to what a first language requires. Creoles appear when pidgin become the mother tongue of a new generation of children. And then code mixing. Code mixing is the use of two or more languages or a language variates in the same utterance of discourse. It is a common phenomenon among bilingual and multilingual speakers, and it can occur in any type of communication, including formal and informal speech, writing, and even sign language. For example, guys, tolong share di grup WhatsApp ini paper kah? And kenapa kamu care sekali dengan saya ya? And then code switching. Code switching is the practice of using two or more languages or dialects in the same conversation. For example, aku kangen banget sama keluarga di rumah, but it's okay, aku bisa video call mereka nanti malam. And the next, diglossia. Diglossia is a situation in which two variants of the same language are spoken within the same speech community, with one variety being more prestigious and used in formal context, while the other variety is used in informal context. For example, tuan. And the next, language attitudes. Language attitude is the set of beliefs, feelings, and behavioral intentions that people have toward different language variants. Language attitude can be positive or negative. Positive language attitudes are associated with feelings or pride, loyalty, and support for a language variety. Negative language attitudes are associated with feelings of shame, inferiority, and opposition to a language variety. For example, positive, ite, hang, and cry, and negative, boros, and how.
The last conclusion. The conclusion that can be drawn from the information is the language variation is a natural phenomenon that occurs due to the social change that occur. The last conclusion. The conclusion that can be drawn from the information is the language variation is a natural phenomenon that occurs due to the social change that occur within communities. It is the reflection of the reality that around human beings as a part of shift and the socioeconomic background in which society are based. Language variation is not only influenced by geographical location and the communities that use it, but it is also changed based on the conversational context. The different approach to language variation developed by linguists help us understand how people adjust their speech toward the people being addressed. Mainly, to gain approval from them, language variation is the important branch of sociolinguistics and it helps in understand and social change that occur with communities. Implication. In English teaching, the implication of using language, vernacular language, it that can help students better understand the concept being taught. It is because academic English is quite different from everyday conversational English, making it hard for students to see the relevance of the word they are being taught. By using vernacular language as the medium of interaction, students have a better conceptual understanding. Additionally, using vernacular language can eliminate the need from students to learn English as the second language, which can be a challenge from to learn English as a second language, which can be a challenge from non-native English speakers. This is especially important in regions where English is not widely spoken outside urban centers, leaving rural students at the disadvantage. I think that's all.
Thank you.